Okay, now we'll take the same triangular plate. Let me take other situation. Now I want about the IAZ. This is what were the earlier symbols we used? A, B, C, no? Okay, fine, yeah. No, A, B. See, I want IAZ. The same thing, height of the triangle, H, this is B by 2, B by 2. So find IAZ. Find moment of inertia about axis passing through point A and perpendicular to the plane. I think the assumption is same. So again, the same assumption is what we are going to continue. This is the y. This is h minus y. This will be dy. This is x. This is x. This is theta. Again, the same value. What is dm we wrote? The everything is same. So directly dm is equal to how much mass of this plate? Sigma into dA. So what is the dA we wrote? So this everything should be equal to sigma into 2x into dy. Keep it here. So there's a moment of now is asking IAZ, no? So what you're going to do? You're going to apply the parallax theorem. So DIAZ should be equal to moment of inertia of this strip about axis passing through its center perpendicular to plane. How much it should be? What is the mass of this strip? dm. So I think I'll write it some. I'll write DIPZ dm into h minus y square. Try to look at this. What is DIP? What is P? P is the center of the strip here. Then applying parallax theorem. So strictly, what is the condition? This must be axis passing through what? Center of mass of the strip, no? So then substituting this. So what should be the moment of inertia of the strip about axis passing through center and perpendicular to its length? That should be equal to dm. What is the length of this? 2x by 2l. dm into h minus y whole square. Substitute the value of dm, then eliminate x from earlier what we did. So what is x? X by h minus y is equal to b by 2h from the triangle, the relationship. So dm is equal to how much? Sigma 2x dy by 2l 4x square sigma 2x dy h minus y whole square. So substituting now, substitute x in terms of h, then integrate 0 to h, you're going to get IAZ. What should be the limit? 0 to h. You should eliminate x here. From using this equation, you should eliminate x. I'll write one more step. Huh? After substituting all, sigma b square 12 h cube h minus y whole cube dy. So solving this, I'll end up mb square by 24 mh square by 2. Do remember this, or IAZ depends upon height and as well as the base of the triangle. Do check calculation later on. There's a method. Sir, are you able to understand what is the meaning of this? Moment of inertia of the strip about axis passing through its center perpendicular to plane. But sir, previous problem you wrote only this one. You wrote only dm y square. But why you didn't write? Why the moment of inertia about this axis of the strip will be zero? No, moment of inertia of the strip about this axis will be zero. About axis passing through a perpendicular to plane will be non-zero. About this axis will be non-zero. About axis passing through point P and perpendicular to plane is equal to this much. Try to make observation. Nothing big is there. Getting the idea? This one? Okay, now. So I will take the oh,